I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Yeah, that's right. I don't know, unless you're lactose intolerant or have a milk allergy or on a diet or I don't know. Well, I'm making an ice cream scooper. Ice cream scooper, I guess, is a common term. You could use it to scoop whatever you like. Perhaps mashed potatoes or oatmeal. An oatmeal scooper would be grand. Be the nicest darn oatmeal scooper you'll ever see. I casted this block of birch burl back in the spring before my lovely back operation. I got a whole series of videos on that if you're interested. Basically, the bottom end of my spine's welded together into one piece. Lots of metal and fancy stuff. Looks like a monster on an x-ray. It's really cool, kind of. I'm actually disappointed because the titanium, like, metal detectors and stuff don't seem to care. I was kind of expecting to have this new little thing in my life where I had to explain it all the time, and I can just go back to normal, so it's pretty cool there. But yeah, so anyway, this piece of birch burl had a really nice live edge on it under the bark that I wanted to keep visible, so I just used a plain clear resin, no shimmer or mica or sparkles or anything like that. And just do so takes a whole lot of polish. And finish this thing up like I do, same basic techniques. Take a piece of something hard, spin it around really fast, take a really sharp object to it, and turn it into something pretty. Then slap some other stuff on top of it to make it shiny. Then sand and buff the stuff you threw on top of the wood-like stuff and make it even shinier. And then eventually, in something like an oatmeal scooper, you need a little scooper piece, so you glue that into your piece of wood-like substance or some other natural product. It could even be synthetic, but yeah, that's what the live edge looks like in the resin. Could be the nicest darn ice cream mashed potato oatmeal scooper you've ever served with. So yeah, that's what it looks like.